Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to be creating this e-commerce website using the Blogger theme. So let's give the website a quick review. Let's go through the website to see how the e-commerce website would look like. So first you have your logo, and then you have your menu bar, your menu links, then you have your search button here, then you have your checkout, your whistle, which is called my whistle, then you have your banner image, which is actually good and has a clean display and can be actually edited, followed by your promises, and then you have some ads, some places to put ads. Then next you have your product page, having 4 layouts. Then you have your bestsellers tab in this area. And you also have your product layout, you have your popular post or your popular products. Then underneath it you have your search, your next tab, followed by the tabs that actually require you to put your ads, where you can place your Google ads if you wanna actually put it in. Then next you have your 5 layouts tab. Then next you have your 5 layout tab, which is one that consists of 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 6 layers tab that you can put in 6 products. Then you have your links beneath it. Then you have your follow button. You could actually make your website turn it into an iOS app or your Android app. Then if you actually click on any of the products, sorry, it's a bit taking time. I think the network over here is not strong. So if you click on any of the products, you have your reviews, so your customer can actually review. You have your favorite or your like button. You have your price. Then you have your about the products. You have the listing. Then you also have other similar products underneath it. So if you actually add the product or cart, you also add payment gateway using PayPal, and it's easy to set up. So in this tutorial, this is the kind of website we are going to be setting up, and so for that, let's dive into the tutorial. So welcome guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's actually a great day to have you guys around. So without wasting much time, let's dive in directly to the tutorial. So the first thing you need to do after before creating an e-commerce website is to select a name for your blog. So on this place we are going to select a name. Let's give our blog Zazie Store. So after selecting a name for your blog, you click on next, or for your website click on next. Now you can call it any name you choose, but you can still change it later by adding a custom domain to it. So Zazie Ecom Store. Okay, I think this is available, so you click on save. So now our website has been created. Let's take a look at it. So here it is, our demo website. Actually doesn't have anything here, it says there's nothing here, but just Zazie Store. So now we are going to be customizing it. So the first thing we need to do is to go directly to our layouts. Go to your layout, scroll downward to remove this footer attribution. You can add something if you want. I guess most of the settings here is just dormant. You can remove the report abuse tab, which is not needed on our e-commerce website. Then the next is your label. I simply don't like leaving the label on my website, so just turn it off. If you want it, you can actually turn it on. Then the next is your archive. I really don't need this. You click on save. So after that is done, the next place you need to go to is your setting tab. Now if you want your e-commerce store to rank first on Google, you should please set this up very well. So the first you should come here, set a description for your website, and when you are setting a description, please use keywords. Ensure to use keywords when setting up when writing your description. After that, you click on save, then you scroll downward to whatever country or whatever language you are selling your product to, then you fix the language for them. Since mine is basically English in United Kingdom, so in United Kingdom they speak English, so that's what we do. The next is your adult content. So please, if you ever find this turned on, please turn it off, because you are actually selling depend on the product you are selling. Actually, if you are selling adult products, product that has to do with sexual stuff, you can turn this on to enable Google show it to the right audience or search engine. So the next part is your favicon. Ensure to set your favicon. For this, we'll just set this one up, taking just one demo image. Click on choose file, okay, let's just pick this one. Click on open, then click on save. So that's it for this part. Favicon is done. Then you go back to your website dashboard, then say it's visible to search engine. If you find this turned off, just turn it on, as it is necessary for your website. Then your blog address. Then if you finally register a custom domain, this is where you can add it to your blog. You could buy from Google Domain, or you could just pick from any other hosting company, but I prefer buying from Bluehost, because they give you their customer care services are actually superb, and you could actually have, if you have problem with your domain, you could speak with them one-on-one. So here you put in your domain name, your custom domain name. Supposing we just bought the domain name, we can put zazzystore.com. that's if we are the owner of the domain. Now click on save, and then it will ask us to do some other settings to connect our domain name to the website. So that's how you could set it. You just change your IP address from the where you bought the domain name. So if you bought it from Bluehost, you just change it and then redirect it to this website. So after that, you click on ensure this is always turned on, HTTPS redirect, so that your website is always secure. Then after that, if you want someone to actually also assist you in your website, your e-commerce store, you could actually add them as admin over here. Then if you scroll downward, you could select the number of posts you want to be on the home page. Then there's one other thing you need to set before any other. It's actually the meta description. Now this meta description is necessary for your blog to rank. Now once you turn this on, ensure to put in your keywords here. This is the major place where you require to add your keyword, because if there's no keyword here, it's going to be very hard for your website to rank for anything. And then since you are into e-commerce, you want your website to rank first on some certain keyword that has to do with your product or your website. So this is an e-commerce store. Just look for trending using Google Trend. You can go to Google and type in Google Trend. Let's come here and just go to Google and then type in Google Trend. Then we could go to Google Trend and check for the e-commerce for keyword that are going to trend in the future, depending on your location. So as you type in e-commerce, click on search. So you see this keyword over here has a bit of issue. It's actually depreciating, but with time it will pick up. So you just look for keywords that are actually going to pick up, and then carts. You see this one is actually outbreak. This one just came out now, plus 450%. So these are other ones, ecoms ng, these are breaks out. You could actually pick one of these keywords and then make use of it and then add them to this and then add it to your website. After that, you click on save. Then this is an e-com store. You do not want any error to happen, or fall for error or miss page, or when someone missed a link, they will be landed at a page on your website that does not contain anything. So to avoid that, you come here into your custom fall for error, then you write in whatever you feel like, or whatever you put in, whatever product you want them to purchase. For example, if they mistakenly bump into your website, whatever product you want them to see first that could catch or grab their attention, you should put it here. Now custom redirect also, if you want to redirect any of your post or broken link, you can actually set them here. That's okay for now. Then I guess that's the major things that need to be set up. Then if you want to use custom ads, you can actually turn it on. So for that, that's okay. Now the next thing you should do is to come to your theme. Now Blogger already has some inbuilt themes, pre-made templates that they did in, if you want to pick one from here. But for the purpose of building this website, we'll just use our custom template. Now for your information, I have I think I have about all the e-commerce website template you could find on net. I have them stored in a folder, and I'll put the link to the in the description of this video. You can get all the e-commerce template for as low as $7. So for as low as $7, all e-commerce template that has ever been created using the Blogger platform, for the Blogger platform, HTML and so on, you could find them in this template. So it's just going to cost you $7, but I'll put a link to get this one for free in the description. And if you feel like you need to get all the e-commerce templates on that has to do with this e-commerce business, then you should, and then I'll put the link in the description. So now the next thing you need to do is to click on it, then you click on restore, and you click on upload. Now you already have it saved here, so Blogger template. So all the e-commerce templates you need are actually stored up here. So I save all of them here. They are not showing because they have not been extracted. So this is the one I currently have that I'm going to use for this tutorial. So then you click on it, then you click on the exact one, then you click on open. So now the theme has been restored. Now if we visit our website again, now this is what we have. Exactly the same thing. So we can start customizing it to fit our brand. We can start customizing them to fit our brand. We could actually leave this image because this image seems actually nice. So we're just going to change some of the other things that doesn't look nice on the website. For example, we're going to change this menu. Now this logo, I'll show you how to change it, but I'm going to leave this one because it actually looks beautiful. So now you go back to your Blogger dashboard. Well, you find out that in this website there is actually a problem of not having any product. So that can also be avoided by, if you get these templates, you just go to your settings and you scroll downward. I get to the bottom, you see upload content. Okay, import content. You click on it, then you click on I'm not a robot to verify. Then click on import. These are demo contents that could help you understand the website, the way it works. So you click on the data, then you click on open. Okay, we have imported the content. Now if we go back to the website to see how it looks like, you find out that it has been updated, and then we now have some product on it, some demo products. So you see we have some demo product on it. So once it loads, you're going to see all the products. See, so you see it's actually popping up one after the other. So over here we're going to set some things up. So now after that, guys, the next thing you need to do now is to go set your menu link. Now to set your menu link, just come downward to the so remember this tree logo on this part, the upper part. If you feel like changing it, yeah, these 4 of them, if you feel like changing this, you could just do them over here by clicking on the add banner and then changing them. But as I said earlier, we're going to be leaving them because they look unique. So now what we are going to be changing first is our menu link. So to do that, just come to your Blogger dashboard, click on your layout, then look for the menu tab. I don't know if I've passed it. Okay, let's take it bit by bit. Take it bit by bit. I think I still can't find it, but if you can find it around here, I don't know if it's because I'm doing this too fast or something, but the easiest way for me is to just go into the code settings, which is theme, click on it and then click on edit HTML, then come here, look for the first one is fashion, click on it, then Ctrl F, then just write fashion. It's gonna bring it out. Okay, here it is. Now I'm gonna be removing some of this stuff. I'm gonna be removing the ones that are not needed. So the only thing I need is home, product, a product page, and then the about page, and then the contact page. So then I'm going to change this fashion to product. I hope I'm taking the tutorial slow so you can understand. So now you're going to choose whatever product you feel like. You're going to add whatever product you feel like. So under product, there's fashion, there's women. So whatever one you feel like, if you want to add to it, you could just copy any of these codes. It's not as hard as you think, guys. It's just an easy process. Just copy any one. Even if you are not into coding, you will still understand it. Then you control copy, then come to the first place, then you click on enter, then you paste, then you just change it. Now since it's women, we are going to change it to fashion now, and here it is. So the next, and guys, there's ensure that you create the labels, which are called men, women, gadgets, and so on. So I'm still going to change this label to fashion, and then we'll create a label called fashion within the blog or the website. So the next part is this other documentation and post rights, which are these post rights. I simply don't need them, so all I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna remove them. Under this documentation tab, I'm gonna change it to about. Under this full width, I'm gonna change it to, there's already contact, no, I'm gonna change this one to privacy policy. I hope you are getting it, guys. If you have any issue, please you make use of the comment section. Now this other part, I'm gonna call it about. Then this post right, I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna remove it because it's not necessary. I'm gonna wipe it off. So now since that is set, I'm gonna click on save, but before that I'm gonna go back to the okay, I'm gonna save it first because we have to change the link. You know, remember that this is actually the link. We are going to change the link to ours. So click on save. I'm gonna save it first, then go back. I'm gonna be creating pages for them, or labels for them. Now we are gonna be viewing our website to see if some of the changes have taken effect. So now I'm gonna reload it. Okay, so you see now we now have an about us page, a privacy policy, a contact us, then our product. Okay, look at the fashion we just added, so there's no post underneath it for now. So now guys, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a privacy policy page, which can be done the same way you did this one before. You could just go to Google, then if you go to Google, you search for privacy policy generator. All of them have the same thing, so you don't need to cram any of them. They all produce the same thing, so you can use anyone. You can make use of anyone. So now what we are doing, guys, we are creating a privacy policy for this website. So now we'll go back to our page, click on for website. Next step, what's your website name? Okay, let's just give it just the name, Zazie Ecom Store. So you copy it, go back, then you paste the website. So just have to do is to copy everything, go back, then you paste it. Then what's your website name? Just copy the name of your website, then you paste it. And then we say I'm a business or I'm an individual. So I'm an individual. Your state, your country, so you just pick on any state of your choice, then you click on next. Currently we do not collect any information, so you just click on others. If you actually want to be collecting any information, or you are actually collecting any information, you could click on it here, then click on next step. How can users contact you for questions regarding your privacy policy? By visiting a page on our website, or by mail, depending on the one you choose. Whatever. Okay, let's just choose by mail. Then you put your website name, info out Zazie Store. Let's assume we purchase the domain. Okay, so you go down and click on next. Okay, just click on no. They will try to sell you many stuff. It's still the same thing, guys. It's the same. Now you put in your mail, you put in your Gmail. So I'm going to pause this video and put in my Gmail so that it can generate the privacy policy for me. So after putting my Gmail, guys, it brought me to this page. So I could actually use their take a live page, put the link on my website, and then the privacy policy, if someone click on it, it will be redirected to this page on this website. Or you could actually copy your privacy policy yourself and then upload it on your website. So whichever one suits you guys, I'm going to just copy it. So once you click on copy, you go back to website. Now you go to pages. Now create a new page, then you click it, name it privacy policy. Then after that you click on publish. After doing that, you still click on the same page, then you come to where this pencil is, you touch it, then this edit HTML, you click on it. Then that's what we just copied, you paste it. So this is it, and you click on update. So now if we are to preview this, here's what our privacy policy look like. So we are going to do some changes to it. So here's what it looks like. So So ensure to proofread it to ensure that some of the things are actually correct. Okay, so yes, what our privacy policy look like. Now if we go back to the website, we click on this. Now we can click on the preview, open in a new tab, and we'll go to the tab, we copy the link. Now if you notice, there's actually two privacy policy here. So to edit that, just go back to your page, come here. Now this first part that is H1, you just remove it. This the date, you just remove it. Now you update it, and you go back and preview again to ensure you have a perfect privacy policy page, since it's meant for your business. So guys, we are done with that. Now you copy this the link, you copy it, then you go back to your settings on your theme, then you click on it, then you go to your edit HTML tab, then you just Ctrl F, then you click on privacy policy, and you search. It takes you directly to the place. Now where you see this previous link, all you just need to do is to replace it with the link you just copied. Now Ctrl V, we just replaced it with the link we copied, then we'll save. Now if there's an issue, to let you know, now it's actually saved. If you follow the way I just explained it, you are good to go. So now we go back and then click on enter your website, and when you click on the privacy policy, you see it's going to take you directly to your own privacy policy. So here we are at our own privacy policy, the one we just created. So the next page you have to set up is your about page. You go back, go to pages again, create new page, click, type in the title of your page, about, then whatever your, now don't forget to come to this place and click on bring down the pencil. Now write what your page is about. Now you write whatever your business is about, then you publish it, then you confirm. Now after doing that, you just come to where this icon is, then you copy the link, then you go back to your theme, click on it, edit HTML. Now you search, Ctrl F, about, search, and you see it. Now since we already copied the link, now where you see this previous link, you just change it and paste your new link, and then you save. So that's all. That's how you change every word of the menu. So far we already have what we want, and our website is looking smooth, our e-commerce store is looking smooth, everything is going as smooth as it could be. Now the next thing you want to do is to change. Now if you notice, let's assume we want to purchase a product, let's assume we want to purchase this demo product. Now when you click on add to cart, now you click on checkout. Now let's assume you actually feed this, let's use one of these, and then you are done with your orders, and then click on place order. To take it to paper, but it will say things doesn't appear to be working at the moment. Now to do this is because your paper is not linked to your e-commerce store. Now to do this, all you just need to do is to go back to your website dashboard. Now when you click on your layout, you see this part that is written payment option. Now you click on this pencil, and the payment option, it's actually linked to paper. So what you just need to do is to come here, click on this edit pencil. Now what your paper name, your paper Gmail is, that's what you put here. So which email do you use as your paper email? So for me, let me just give a demo one, demo, assuming this is my real paper email, this is the email that's connected to my paper account. Just click on demo, just write in the name of your paper account, that's all. So demo at gmail.com. gmail.com. So that's just it, and then click on save, then save. You are done for this. So now other things you could actually set within the setting is to turn off some of the features that came with the theme and leave the ones you feel like leaving. So I simply don't like about me to show up on my website. I'll just turn it off and save it. So every other thing you feel like changing, you could actually change them here. Now if you want to add a custom ads, all you just need to do is to go to any AdSense company or agency, then you click on this ad, then either you remove Google Ads and place your own, or you just add a new gadget, look for HTML, JavaScript, then the code that is given to you, you paste it here. You paste your ad code, you paste it here, and then you save. So voila, that's how you add AdSense to your custom AdSense, which are not mainly Google Ads. Let's assume ads like Adstera and so on. That's how you add them to your e-commerce store. So now to add okay, I never made mention of how you could change your the same way logo. Just click on it, if you feel like click on your post. So now guys, this bigger part that is left empty, the number of people that have visited your store today. Now I've gotten about 9 earlier. So so if you have any comments or any issues, you can add them here. Any posts, you find them here. Or someone that needs, you find them here. Add whatever. Now if you actually link your shop to AdSense, you actually see them here to show up here. Then you go add page the same way, and then that's all for this tutorial, guys. So far we have been able to build our website up to this point. I've been able to build our website up to this point, and I guess all the changes we did took effect. So now the other thing you could actually do is to change your logo if you want. Now to change this logo, all you just need to do is to go back to your dashboard, click on your layout, then look for the logo. So let's see if it's this. So here you have it. You could change it to whichever one you want. Change to whichever one you want. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. We have succeeded in building this site and converting it to what we. So if you want any other e-commerce tutorial, I'm going to put links to the description to different other e-commerce tutorial that will suit your need. Also, don't forget the link to download this template will be on the description. If you want to get the full starter pack on all e-commerce templates that can be uploaded on Blogger and used to design different trending websites, I'm going to put a link in the description. It's just going to cost you about $7, not much. It's about 25 to about 30 e-commerce theme that can suit your business. So you could get them for about $7. It's as cheap as possible. So and they are, most of them are premium, and you will enjoy making use of them. That's what I used to build all my Blogger tutorial, just in case you need it. And I use them for some clients also, clients that need e-commerce website and they don't want to pay much for hosting. They are just starting out, so I'll get them a suitable domain from Bluehost, and then host their blog here. Then convert redirect the blogspot domains to the domain I bought from Bluehost, and voila, they have their e-commerce website. So guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you are new to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, so please do. And if you find this video interesting, don't forget to like the video and share the video. If you have any issues regarding any part of the tutorial, please don't forget to use the comment box and comment your issue, and I'll try as much as possible to reply you. And don't forget, the e-commerce pack still remain, and you could get it in the description. I'll put a link in the description. So now guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. Do have a nice day. Bye for now, guys.